Hello, my name is Catalina.
Hello, my name is Daniel Figueroa. We are going to explain you the sound. How to pronounce the sound. The sound is unvoiced, and the vocal cords do not vibrate during the production of the sound. To create the sound, the back of the tongue slightly constricts within the throat. The upper front part of the tongue as well as the lips will often move into the shape of surrounding sounds at the same time as the sound is being produced. A common error English language learners make is overproducing the sound by constricting the tongue too much within the throat or by voicing the sound. This is an illustration of the position of the tongue of the sound. This is a little practice of the sound. I need you to repeat the next words. The first one, hand.
hand,
hand,
Okay, next one, hand.
hand,
hand,
Okay, next one, hammer.
hammer,
hammer,
Okay, next one, house.
house,
house,
Okay, next one, hair.
hair,
hair,
Okay, and the last one, honey.
honey,
honey,
Now, my partner Catalina will explain you of the samples of the beginning sound, middle sound, and ending sound.
Well, as my partner mentioned earlier, let's talk about the consonant sound pronunciation. I will show you some examples with the consonant in words. The example begins on. Repeat after me. Hawk,
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 help,
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 hand,
ham,
ham,
hon,
hum,
hum,
Okay. The sample middle sound, repeat after me. Ghost,
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 mechanic,
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 school,
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 skin,
skip,
skip,
skin,
skim,
kim,
Okay. The sample ending sound, repeat after me. O,
oh,
oh,
Bob,
but,
ish,
but,
each,
ish,
mush,
much,
much,
The pronunciation words begin with. There are three differences. One, sounded. Repeat after me. Han,
hand,
hand,
happen,
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 happy,
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 have,
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 has,
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 have,
have,
had,
hello,
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 help,
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 house,
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 two, different sound. Repeat after me. Human,
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 humid,
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 humor,
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 three, no sounded. Repeat after me. Age,
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 air,
are,
air,
honest,
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 out.
old,
old,
Okay, excellent. Practice. The practice is of sentence. Repeat after me and indicate where is the consonant. Okay?
okay.
My hawk is so quick.
hawk,
My
Repeat.
dog is so cute. Hug,
okay,
Okay. I want to help to my mother with her market.
I want to help to my mother with her market. Help her.
I want to help to my mother with her market. This is help, mother, and care.
One. One.
One, okay. Her,
Can you repeat, please?
her,
Help. It's in
Help.
help.
Her.
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 Okay. Okay, very good. The next.
I like the roasted ham in my sandwich.
I like the roast ham in my sandwich. Is the ham sandwich.
I like the roasted ham in my sandwich. Is ham.
Okay, excellent. The
It's in
next.
ham. Very good.
My home is so big.
My home is so big. Is home.
My ham is so big. Is ham.
Very good.
Excellent. I saw the image of the goats on the roof of my house.
I subdog image of the of a ghost on the roof of my house. Is house.
I saw the image of a ghost on the roof of my house. This is ghost.
Very good.
It's in ghost.
The next. My mechanic helped my repair my car.
My mechanic helped me repair my car. Is mechanic helped?
My mechanic helped to repair my car. Is mechanic.
Mechanic.
Mechanic. Excellent. The next. My school has classroom with computer and tablet.
My school has classroom with computer and table. Chair. Is has.
My school has classroom with computers and tablets. This is has.
No.
In school.
School.
Okay.
The next. I had to make a virtual scan of the university where I'm studying.
I have to make a virtual chain of the university where I'm studying. Is half.
I have to make a virtual stand of the university where I am studying. Is hate or is chum?
Skin.
Scan.
Chum.
Okay.
Okay. The next. Oh my God. I won the lottery.
Oh my God! I won the lottery. Is oh
Oh my god!
Yes.
I want a lottery. Is oh.
Oh, yes, yes.
Oh. The next. On both sides of the street there is a lot of traffic and we cannot drive.
on both sides of the street there is a lot of traffic and we cannot drive. Is but
Yes, excellent.
God,
On both
nice.
sides of the street there is a lot of traffic and we cannot drive. Is the
No, it's on both.
Is both. Okay. The next. Each years I go on a try to have land.
this year I got on a trip to Hopland. Is hot.
each year I go on a trip to hot land. Is hot. It's
No.
Each, each.
Is ish.
Okay. Difficult.
The next. I feel much better sign and what you
I feel much better since in which you is much.
I feel much better. It's nice. I'm with you. Is with.
No,
is much.
it's match. Okay?
Difficult.
Okay.
Okay. Now, to finish, we are going to carry out the following survey.
Okay. We enter the following link that the will point in the chat. Okay.
Okay.
What moment?
Ok, ¿qué tienen que hacer? En el siguiente link que les envió Catalina al chat hay un cuestionario. Es con base en la explicación que les acabamos de dictar. Entonces, ¿ustedes qué hacen? Hacen el cuestionario y nos dicen qué les pareció, si hubo cosas que no entendieron, si, mejor dicho, es con base en la explicación. Y esa es como la práctica de lo que vieron ustedes en la presentación. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Yeah.
You finish?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Nel.
Okay. We are going to answer the question. Vamos a responder las preguntas.
Ay, no.
Vamos a ver qué tal les fue.
Yo creo que mal, 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 mal.
Bueno, vamos a ver. First, is a voicing or voiced?
Unvoiced.
Unvoiced?
A voice. No sé.
Okay. Second, the tone contract inside the throat falls through none of the them. ¿Cuál es la respuesta?
True.
True.
True?
True.
Okay. The word hop is sounded. True, false, none of the them.
What?
False.
La palabra hope is sounded, o sea, es sonora, cierto, falso,
True.
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 Okay. Next, the word hair is different sound. True or false?
True.
True.
Okay.
Ah,
No, 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 no.
5. How many differences are there in beginning?
two.
Three.
2 or 3?
Um,
Two.
three.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. The word human is different in sound, false or true?
Three. True.
True.
How the sound is spelled, how the sound is spelled?
The sound is spelled with the letter Q. Q. So in a few words, it is spelled. ¿Cómo se pronuncia eso?
What?
This?
Yes.
All right. Yes.
Okay.
Why is the consonant an oral consonant?
Because it's voiced. Both.
No.
What else?
It is an oral consonant, which means R is allowed to escape through the mouth only.
Actually,
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
and which word is a consonant silent?
Human hemit Omar.
Honest, honor, or air, herbs, herbal.
Are you sure? Like this?
Human hemit homo. ¿Dónde?
Come on, come on. What else?
One,
Two.
Okay. Let's go into
Pónganse de
check.
acuerdo.
One.
one.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. And the last one.
What happens when your tongue contact when you pronounce this sound?
The language change position.
Mm, yeah.
This? This option?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure? ¿Seguras? Última palabra.
No.
What else? ¿Cuáles?
The vocal cords do not vibrate.
Like this? The second option?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay. We are checking the answers. Vamos a ver qué tan bien les fue. ¿Están listas?
Loser.
Vamos a ver. The first one, on voice. Nice, good.
Excellent.
The second, the tongue contract in the throat. True. ¿Quién haya dicho true? ¿Las dos?
Yeah.
Ah, sí, sí. Yes.
Ah, sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
The word hop is sounded. False. It's wrong. Está mal. Era true.
Eso lo dijo Caroline.
Gracias. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Four, the word hair is different sound. It's false. ¿Quién le atinó a esa?
Here is the person. Creo que
Las dos.
¿Las dos? Okay. Five, how many difference are there in vegan? Three. ¿Quién le atinó a esa?
Charik.
Okay. Six. It's true. ¿Quién le atinó?
las dos.
Las dos.
Okay. Seven. How the A sound is spelled? How the egg sound is spelled? Era la opción B. ¿Quién le atinó?
Me.
Yo también.
Las
Ustedes
dos.
me decían que sí es lo que yo decía.
Porque tú sabes más que yo.
Okay. La siguiente era la opción C. It is an oral consonant which means air is allowed to escape through the mouth only. Era la opción C. ¿Quién le atinó a esa?
Charik.
Solo tú.
Yeah.
Ay. Mhm. La siguiente. In which words is a consonant silent? Era la opción A. ¿Quién le atinó?
Charik otra vez. Ay.
Me.
¿Qué pasó?
Difficult. I'm sorry.
Okay. We have a problem here. Tenemos un problema aquí. Okay. And the last one era la opción B. ¿Quién le atinó?
Charik. Yo juraba que era la tercera, pero no.
Ah, okay. Well,
Okay, guys. Thank you.
espero que,
So well,
espero que esta clase les haya enseñado cómo pronunciar, les haya servido mucho, aprendan, porque más que todo contigo, ¿me recuerdas tu nombre, porfa?
Caroline.
Más que todo tú, Carolina, necesitas prestar mucha más atención porque en este cuestionario te fue un poquito regular.
Qué mal.
Pero no importa, ahí vas avanzando, ahí vas conociendo el tema, ¿viste? Pero tienes que aprender a prestar atención. ¿Sí?
Sí.
Pay attention. Pay attention.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody.
Everybody.
Bye.
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 Bye.